kufuneka ithi uma isebenza ithi buka ama issues internal ukuthi IFP ikhuliswa kanjani simobilize kanjani kodwa sibe sibuka futhi nama issues affect umphakathi wakithi on daily basis. So that's why we appreciate ukuthi namhlanje sizohlangana nje ukuthi sizobonga izingane zethu ezifundayo si encourage futhi ukuthi ireality ke ithi imfundo ibalekile imfundo iyona key we future. So without education ngempela awukwazi ukuyidetermine kahle future yakho. Umntwana ke wayethi ke kudala ngesikhathi se violent when abanye babethi liberate but babethi babethi education later babethi liberation now education later and umntwana was saying liberation education for liberation. So meaning that wayethi it's only education that can liberate our society and a liberated society is an educated society. So sifuna abantu bakithi bekwazi ukufunda ukuze bekwazi ukuyikhulula sifuna abantu bakithi bekwazi ukufunda ukuze bekwazi ukuba empowered sifuna abantu bakithi befunde ukuze bekwazi ukudila even nama issues aba affectayo on daily basis. So without education we cannot really determine our future, and that's why umntwana will always say education for liberation, because he understood ukuthi imfundo ibaluleke kangakanani. He understood ukuthi noma kuthiwa senzani kodwa imfundo yethu mayingekho kuncane singakwenza ngempilo yethu, kodwa kubalekile ukuthi kufuneka senze sure ukuthi sifundile. Siyazi ukuthi ke abanye baphule i-background yabo yangabanikeza ama-opportunity ukuthi bekwazi ukufunda, kodwa kufuneka senze sure ukuthi the next generation, the upcoming generation, siyakwazi ukubanikeza i-opportunity ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi befunde, ngoba ezinye zezinto esihlulekile ukuyi-addressa thina bazokwazi ukuyi-addressa bona through education. So kufuneka sibavuleleke lowo mnyango loyo, si-create futhi lo environment yabo yokuthi bekwazi ukuthi be-liberate, be-empowerishe, be-develop, be-thuthukise through education. So ke siyabonga ke babumbatsha because you are implementing the policies of the IFP njengoba senze lo mcimbi oyilolu hlobo namhlanje, where we are acknowledging i-excellence especially from ingane zethu ezisencane ezisakhula, because kufuneke zazi ukuthi indlela eziyithathile zithathe indlela e-right. Kufuneke zazi ukuthi whether you grew up in an informal settlement, whether you grew up in a rural area, but in reality ukuthi ayikho into ekuvimbayo ukuthi ukwazi ukupersuade ama-opportunities emfundo, ngoba imfundo iyona ebalekile futhi imfundo iyona ezosikhulula. So abantu abaningi abaphumelelile empilweni momamele izitori zabo uthi uzama understand i-background yakhe, you will realize ukuthi abantu abaningi aba-successful today ababanga nayo i-background enhle, but because basebenzisa imfundo ukuthi bekwazi ukuzi-advance, ukuzithuthukisa, ukuzidevelopa, namhlanje they are successful people in the country. Comrade Udalsinje, she grew up in the hostel. Today she's a counselor of the IFP. We graduate, I don't know nama qualifications amangaka, and namanje usafunda akafunda ukuqeda ukufunda because uyazi ukuthi imfundo ibaluleke kangakanani. Uphume emakhaya nje ugele intombi nasemzimkhulu le kodwa namhlanje ngibona ukuthi successful. So and ke baningi kakhulu. So okubalekile ukuthi njengoba ngisho ngithi kufuneka si-encourage ingane ukuthi uma ithathe i-direction yemfundo isithathe i-direction e-right empilweni, ngoba bakhona abantu othi uma babuke ekuhlaleni ubone ukuthi ba-excitedwa izinto ngempela ngey'basize ngalutho. Siyazi ukuthi abantu mabesebancane besakhula baba nakho ucabanga ukuthi izinto kunalezi zinto lezi kuthiwa ziyatrenda, lezi zinto lezi ezikwenza ube popular ekuhlaleni, bese kuba nezinto ezikwenza ube unpopular, bese kodwa ayikwazi ukukusiza in the long run. So ke uma uzoba ekuhlaleni uzoba namathaveni amaningi, for example kunabantu abazokuthi impilo kufuneka uhambe ubonakala ujiva lapha, kunabantu abazokuthi kufuneka behlale phansi bebhekane nezincwadi zabo bestudishe, bese kuthi lo ogruvayo abuke njengento ephilayo, lo ofundayo abuke njengento ebhorayo, kodwa urealize at the end of the year ukuthi kahle umuntu obefocused ezama ukukhanda impilo yakhe esekuyena osecelebrate ilo osuke focus encwadini zakhe, then lo osuke lokho ehlezi emathaveni. Yingakho bambatsha ngijabulile uma usukumisa izingane ezincane zamantombazane uthi zisahlolwa zisakhuliswa zisabambile sezintombi zisakhuliswa zikhuliswa ngokuyihlonipha nangokuyiphatha ngoba kufanele siyipride ngezingane zakithi ezincane ezisakwazi ukuyiphatha ezaziyo ukuthi ayikwazi ukugijimela izinto zokuyodlala nabafana nokuyojabulisa ngabafana